Hello friends, you're on the Home Tips channel. In this video I will share with you a simple and most importantly natural way to paint eggs. The eggs turn out beautiful and different from each other. Eggs with white shells are best suited for dyeing. Place the eggs in a saucepan and cover with water. To prevent the eggs from cracking during cooking, they should be at room temperature and 1 tablespoon of salt should be added to the water. After boiling, immediately put the eggs in cold water. This will make them easy to peel. Now take the onion skins, place them in a saucepan and rinse under running water. The more onion skins you use, the richer the color of the eggs will be. Next, pour water over the onion skins until it completely covers them. Bring the water to a boil and cook the onion skins for 30 minutes. Then you need to turn off the decoction and let it brew. The longer, the richer the color will be. Now let's prepare the eggs for painting. Pick small flowers, leaves and rinse them with water. They will be needed for decoration. We will also need nylon tights or socks. They need to be cut into squares. To ensure the paint applies evenly, soak a cotton pad in vinegar and wipe the eggs. Now let's get to decorating. Take leaves, flowers and stick them on the egg. They must be wet for this. Wrap the egg in nylon and straighten the leaves. Then pull the nylon as tightly as possible and tie it at the back with a thread. Look how beautiful it turns out. You can decorate the eggs however you like. The decoction of onion skins has infused and now needs to be strained. Remember that the more time passes, the richer the color of the eggs will be. Now we put the prepared eggs into the infusion. The liquid should completely cover them. Leave it for 30 minutes. If you want a more intense color, leave it overnight. My eggs lay in the infusion for 1 hour. I am preparing paper towels and will take them out. Remove the nylon and leaves. Place the eggs on a paper towel and let them dry completely. To give the eggs a shine, you can grease them with vegetable oil. Look at these beautiful Easter eggs. Try painting Easter eggs this way if you have never done it before. If you liked the video, give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Happy Easter to everyone! See you in other videos.